Hello friends, today I will be talking about a concept in marketing, that is new product development process. This is a very important concept for organization that includes several stages, from idea generation to idea screening. Then comes your business analysis, concept testing, and then the prototype gets developed, and then product gets tested. And there are several methods of testing the product, and once you are satisfied with the product testing, then comes your test marketing. And under this test marketing you've got three more methods. The first is standard test marketing, the second is control test, and the third one is the pre-test marketing. And once you are satisfied with the results in test marketing, then you commercialize this particular product under the new product development process. And commercialization means the product has been launched throughout the nation. Okay, and after the commercialization, the introduction stage comes in, and then comes the growth stage, maturity, and decline. But usually consumer sees the introduction stage. They are not well aware about the other stages in the marketing process. So these stages before the introduction called pre-marketing stages, and from the introduction it becomes the post-marketing stages. So now I would like to take up this case study of Sony Vision S, and I have used this particular video as well, which is a Sony Vision S prototype which is being tested in Europe. So the product has been developed, the prototype is created, and now they're actually doing the product testing in Europe. And once they are comfortable with the product decisions, only then they will talk about the test marketing stage. So Sony, has always been a leader in the consumer electronic space for decades. But now they have diversified, and they have launched this particular brand in the automobile industry. So they have actually diversified from consumer electronics to automotive space. So this global giant has already introduced this particular product or brand in the Consumer Electronics Show 2020, when it showed an electric car named Vision S. And the president and CEO of Sony had unveiled this concept car during a press event under the public relation tool of marketing for Consumer Electronics Show 2020 at the Las Vegas convention. So, Sony is processing or progressing in the market really fast, and the company revealed that its electric model is already being tested on public roads in Europe. As you can see, this product being already tested through this particular video. I have taken this video as an example only. And the company also stated that the public road testing of the vehicle has commenced in Austria as well, with partners to evaluate safety. So once they feel satisfied with their evaluation parameters, only then they'll talk about the test marketing and further commercialization in several other countries. So Sony then will continue to further develop the vehicle only, and plans to conduct driving tests in other regions as well going forward. So if you talk about the product decisions of this particular brand, Sony has added 40 sensors for this autonomous driving in the vehicle, as compared to the initially mentioned 33 sensors. And the video also show first version of the infotainment system, talk about over the air updates, 5G, and many more features. Now this brand they are launching under the category of sedan, and with respect to the product decisions, the style or the looks of this particular brand is quite stunning, and it has a resemblance to Porsche's design. Now if you talk about this particular brand, it is actually built by Sony's artificial intelligence and robotics team. And as per a report, as it is still a prototype, and there is no indication that Sony intends to actually enter the retail automotive space anytime soon. So it's definitely going to take some time, and it's a potential category under the different levels of product. So if you talk about the connectivity of concepts with respect to this particular case, we can connect this particular case with the new product development process under the product testing concept using the prototype in different markets. Right now it is being tested in Europe, but gradually it will be launched throughout the nation, and then only it will be a commercialized category of product over a period of time in India. And then comes the post-marketing stages, that is the introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. So I hope with the help of this particular video you probably have been able to connect the concepts of new product development process in a much better manner. And definitely I'll be producing more videos on different concepts of marketing. So if you would like to receive more number of videos, then please do subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming up with new case studies and the upcoming brands or products that comes in the recent news for your better understanding for my students. Thank you very much.